In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use and add columns in Monday.com so you can fully customize your boards and manage your projects more efficiently. Columns are one of the most powerful features inside Monday.com, and once you understand how to use them properly, your workflows become cleaner, more organized, and much easier to track. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials. Let's start with how to add columns in Monday.com. First, open the board where you want to add a column. Go to the left sidebar and click on the specific board you'd like to edit. Once your board loads, scroll all the way to the right side of your table. At the end of your existing columns, you'll see a button labeled Plus Add Column. Click on that button. When you click Plus Add Column, a panel will open showing all the available column types you can choose from. Monday.com gives you a wide range of column options, depending on what kind of data you want to track. For example, you can choose a status column if you want to track stages, progress, approvals, or task phases. You can select a people column to assign tasks to team members. There's a date column for deadlines, a timeline column for longer project ranges, and a text column for simple written information. You'll also find numbers for budgets or quantities, drop-downs for selectable options, files for attachments, formula columns for calculations, and even specialized columns like phone, email, world clock, and connect boards to link different boards together. And that's just the beginning. There are many more advanced options available depending on your plan. Once you click on the column type you want, it will immediately be added to your board. Now let's customize that column. To rename it, simply click on the column title at the top and type in your preferred name. This helps keep your board organized and clear for everyone on your team. If you click the small arrow next to the column name, you'll open the column settings menu. From here, you can adjust editing permissions, change the column width, hide the column, duplicate it, or delete it entirely. This gives you full control over how that column behaves in your workflow. Now that you know how to add columns, let's talk about how to actually use them inside your board. To update a cell, simply click on any cell within a column. Depending on the column type, you can either type text, select a status label, pick a date, enter a number, upload a file, or assign a person. Each column type is designed to make data entry quick and intuitive. If you want to reorder your columns, click and hold the column header at the top, then drag it left or right to reposition it. This is especially useful if you want your most important information, like status or deadline, to appear at the front of your board. You can also resize columns. Hover your mouse over the border of a column header until you see the resize cursor. Then click and drag to make the column wider or narrower. This helps if certain columns need more space for longer text or detailed information. Another helpful feature is hiding columns. If your board starts to look cluttered, click the arrow next to a column name and select Hide Column. The column will disappear from view but won't be deleted. To show it again, go to the top toolbar and click on Hidden Columns, then restore it from there. If you ever need a similar column with the same settings, click the arrow next to the column name and choose Duplicate. This saves time instead of setting everything up again from scratch. And if a column is no longer needed, you can delete it from the same menu. As you can see, columns in Monday.com are extremely flexible. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns, tracking sales leads, organizing content production, or running client projects, customizing your columns allows you to build a system that works exactly the way you need it to. That's how to use and add columns in Monday.com. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.